Now, global positioning system. The global positioning system is a global navigation satellite system. This position finding system uses satellites to determine precise location on the surface of the earth. GPS can be used to pinpoint any ship or submarine on the ocean or to measure the height of Mount Everest. It can also be used by armed forces, scientists, fishermen, climbers, and anyone who wants the accurate location and time information. Okay, so now GPS is totally based on satellite communication because we get all the information from the satellites, from the orbits that revolves around the earth. And for this we have a diagram over here. Okay, GPS satellites figure 1.15. So here we find out the stolen vehicle with the help of GPS global positioning system, but the condition is you must have the device of GPS in your vehicle. If you don't have an installation of GPS devices in your system, so you are unable to find out your vehicles. When we talk about your other facilities like Careem and Uber, and these also use the system of GPS to track different type of information and different type of location. So here we have stolen vehicle, here we have GPS receiver, base station and earth, and here we have satellites. Okay, now first of all, stolen vehicle gives signals to base station because the device is installed in vehicle, and then base station gives signals to earth station, and then earth station receive location of this stolen vehicle and then inform the policeman. So in this way we find out the stolen vehicle. GPS receiver receives the signals and give to base station, and base station give to earth. So this is the concept of global positioning system. First of all, we send information from earth station to the base station, and then base station retransmits the signal to the earth station.